पतंग जैसे मस्त से चढ़ गई हमको तुरंत ऐसे लगती करंट जैसे निकला वारंट जैसे अभी अभी उतरा हूँ नेट से करंट जैसे नशे से चढ़ गई कुड़ी नशे से चढ़ गई पतंग से लड़ गई कुड़ी पतंग से लड़ गई कमली कहानी ऐसी जंगली जवानी ऐसी जमती पिघलती है पल पल पानी ऐसी बहती रवानी ऐसी हंसती शदानी ऐसी चढ़ गई हम पे बड़ी मेहरबानी ऐसी ऐसे खींचे दिल के पेचे गले ही पड़ गए नशे से चढ़ गई कुड़ी नशे से चढ़ गई पतंग से लड़ गई कुड़ी पतंग से लड़ गई पतंग से लड़ गई कुड़ी पतंग से लड़ गई उड़ती पतंग जैसे मस्त मलंग जैसे मस्त से चढ़ गई हमको तुरंत ऐसे लगती करंट जैसे निकला वारंट जैसे अभी अभी उतरा हूँ नेट से करंट जैसे नशे से चढ़ गई कुड़ी नशे से चढ़ गई पतंग से लड़ गई कुड़ी पतंग से लड़ गई कमली कहानी ऐसी जंगली जवानी ऐसी जमती पिघलती है पल पल पानी ऐसी बहती रवानी ऐसी हंसती शदानी ऐसी चढ़ गई हम पे बड़ी मेहरबानी ऐसी ऐसे खींचे दिल के पेचे गले ही पड़ गए नशे से चढ़ गई कुड़ी नशे से चढ़ गई पतंग से लड़ गई कुड़ी पतंग से लड़ गई
Relax. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoyed? Didn't hear. This much only? This much? How much? Yeah, thank you. Alone I can say, but together we can talk. Alone I can enjoy, but together we can celebrate. Alone I can smile, but together we can laugh. That is the beauty of human relation. Happy and excited to be a part of such a wonderful gathering. The right words spoken at the right time can make all the difference in building people up. So, this is the opportunity, here is the place. Now is the moment to recognize and appreciate each and everyone for their marvelous efforts that had filled this day with hues of merriment. Life has ups and downs, with sorrows and happiness profound. Peace filled our hearts when with God we bound. The little ones, sloga chanting, spread joy all around, as holiness, peace and bliss was brimming in that sound. One can attain divinity wholly through slogas. This priceless moment of sloga chanting needs a perfect appreciation. A big thanks to our Sanskrit master, Mr. Chandrasekhar, for his strenuous efforts, and Mrs. Kylberry for guiding the children efficiently throughout the practice session and bringing out the best sloga chanters. Stole our hearts in a jiffy as their show was flippy and zippy. That was a thorough shaky shake, a cool shower of snowy flakes. Hearty appreciation to all the little dancers of the grade 1 who captured our hearts by their beaming dresses and mind-boggling gestures, and the team of teachers, Mrs. Sugi Daniel, Mrs. Geeta, Mrs. Felicia and Mrs. Aarti, for their honest efforts to bring their best out of the little ones by their constant support and ever-gleaming smile. There is a music in the singing of reeds. There is music in blushing of a rill. There is a music in all things if men had ears. Our earth is but an echo of the spheres. Hats off to the nightingales of Tamil and Hindi choir for their sweet singing, which would be the memorable tale in all our thoughts. All compliments goes to our enthralling music teacher, Mrs. R. Sujata, and our helping hands, Mrs. Kaushalya, Mrs. Supalakshmi, for being a good inspiration to the future singers in guiding them to sing promptly, making the whole environment an enthusiastic one. With lanterns in their hands, they came all the way, singing a song that brightened our hearts, no words to say. This hot summer that was like a cool rain, they surely need an applause for their refrain. It's time to appreciate the German singers, our German teacher Mrs. Rekha, Mrs. Usha, Mrs. Shanmughavalli and Mrs. Sudha for their untiring efforts in creating a lovely German choir. A perfect poem in action. Every character competed in their expression. Lord Rama's life, a clear depiction, it was a glorious benediction. Wholehearted appreciation goes to Mrs. Bhavani and her team that enacted Ramacharitra very lively and beautifully on the dais. Each character was an incredible reflection of the epic Ramayana, and we were also mesmerized and drenched in the wave of excitement by the fabulous Chinese dancers. Give a big round of applause to the choreographers, Mr. Bhaskar and Mrs. Bhavani, for their overwhelming impressive choreography, and the personalities reached out in guiding the performers of Ramacharitra and the Chinese dance. Mrs. Shabana Yasmin, Mrs. D. Bharati, Mrs. Raji and Ms. Yogeshri. Cherishing moments the cuckoos brought by their friend's song. Their melodious voice would never be forgotten long. They are the brilliant singers apt for all praise. Through their singing they spread their cheerful rays. All name and fame to our French master, Mr. Stephen Kumar, Mrs. Ishwari, Mrs. Naga Saudanya, and Mrs. Mary John for meticulously molding the singers to a hopeful future. Hearty wishes to all the participants of the Hindi skit who with all their potential brought a moral that true love ever exists. It all the great efforts of Mrs. Janaki Kumari, Mrs. Sandhya Rani and Mrs. Amudavalli. Music gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, life to everything. A thankful recognition to all the singers of the Western Choir, junior and senior, for their fantabulous singing. Both wouldn't be sufficed to appreciate the scrupulous deed done by our Western Choir master, Mr. Daniel. Wholehearted gratitude to you, sir, for adding much more meaning to this grand show by a magical touch. Thanks to all in charges of the Western Choir, Mrs. S. Sujata, Mrs. Raji, Mrs. Leena, Mrs. Nirmala Sagai Rani, and Mrs. Harti.
Earner's work is desirable, respectable, and noble, fruits of labor, and certainly sweeter than the gifts of fortune. Bringing the children at different levels on a common platform is like a mountain trekking. But that was done in a jiffy by the strong team of the teachers of English drama. Here comes Miss Malti, Miss Kavita, Mrs. Chitra Selvi, Mrs. Rani Dhanpalan, and one and all Mrs. Anthony Grace Deepa. Give them a big round of applause to all the characters of the world of fantasy for being active, energetic, enthusiastic, and zealous throughout the play.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul. It captures every heart on the whole. Global peacocks swaying from pole to pole, that was icy treat through words can never be told. They are the dazzling performance of the welcome dance, the Hindi dance. We appreciate the efforts of our graceful dancer, Miss Jeevita, who always goes round spinning on her toes, making the world around her to spin by ever-glowing talent of dance. Thank you, Jeevita, for creating more talented dancers who are sure to shine, reflecting the name of the global. And our team, Mrs. T.L. Preeti, Miss R. Preeti, Mrs. Meenakshi, Mrs. Nasima Begum, and Mrs. Keertana. People who work with their hands are laborers. People who work with their hands and heads are craftsmen. People who work with their hands, head and heart are artists. Every creation by them is a poem without words. They awaken joy in creativity, expression and knowledge by sprinkling the hues of creativity on every global's budding star. So, without hesitating a moment, let's together praise these blessed creators, Mr. Sambat Raj and Mrs. Ananda Kumari. They marched like grand jawans, playing the trumpet, bugles, cymbals, drums, and euphonia, happily welcoming the dignitaries, kindling the spirit of joy and celebration. Yes, the global grand band children. Give a big hand to our global girls for the wonderful band. And the in-charge teachers, Mrs. Sandhya Rani and Miss Yogeshri. They swirl like a top from dawn to dusk, carrying out every task patiently without any huff and puff. Right from their office work till the stage, with grit and determination, they efficiently manage. Hats off to the team of administration staff, Mrs. Loganaigi, Mrs. Suchitra, and Mrs. Pavitra. Please give them a very big hand to our admin staff. A very special thanks to Mrs. Aarti and Mrs. Annie for bringing out our annual report photographs very efficiently. My hearty thanks to our photographer, Mr. Kumar, for capturing Global's events as a never-fading memories. Thank you, sir. I wholeheartedly thank the LED person, Mr. Dinesh, Mr. Uday Kumar, Harish, Arun, Aravind, Ravi Kumar, and Mrs. Leena for bringing out an aggrandized dais with all their technological ideas. Mr. Dinesh, please come to the stage. Please give a very big hand to him, for he had made a wonderful thing for us, working day and night. Thank you, Mr. Dinesh. A big thanks to Mr. Vidyasagar and his team for your sound effects, Mr. Ramachandran, and the light effects, Mr. Saravanan, Mr. Purushothaman, and Mr. Sundar. I extend my gratitude towards our supervisor, Mr. Meghanathan. Please give him a very big hand. And other helping hands, Mr. Murthy, Mr. Pandian, Mr. Deepak, Mr. Michael, Mr. Ravi, Mr. Ayappan, Mr. Murugan, Mr. Raju, and Mr. Suresh. And all our aunties, please give them a very big hand for the help they have done for us. Mrs. Kala, Amridam, Radha, Rajalakshmi, Lily, Jayadevi, Lalli, Gomati, and Mrs. Gauri. Education is all about creating an environment of academic freedom where bright minds meet, discover, and learn. The base the values and the principles that were established by our respected correspondent, Mr. N. Ramachandran, and our senior principal, Mrs. Seema Ramachandran, provided a firm foundation for Global's journey ahead. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for being our strength in all our endeavors. The personality who lives by the principle, do good, be good, and see good, is our beloved principal, Mrs. Sudha Devi. Thank you, ma'am, for being a great moral support in the past, the present, and the future. Give a very big round of applause to our courageous principal. Thank you, ma'am. With a sweet smile, she never keeps aloof for a while. Moving around, conquering everyone's heart. Right from school assembly to home bell, she plays a responsible part. Yes, she is our Vice Principal, Mrs. Manju Menon. Give her a big hand for a great support and a guidance. Now, this is the special thanks that goes to our physical trainer, Mrs. Bharati. Put your hands together for maintaining the discipline, and Mr. Vinolan. I now request everyone to rise up for the school anthem followed by the national anthem.